Good afternoon, visitors. Just a quick schedule update for you all. The Meredith Ashton tug and barge that's out there will still be coming in. They had to stop briefly not too far away from the canal, and they're shortening up their line so they could come through the canal here. So there's a bit of a delay on their arrival. Good afternoon, visitors. What you all just heard there is known as the Captain's Salute, which is a traditional greeting between the ships and the bridge. The tug in this case initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short blasts, and the bridge responds with the same thing. Right now we have the Meredith Ashton arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. She was built as the Sea Angelo in 1999 by Toma Sea Shipbuilders in Houma, Louisiana. She measures 95 feet in length, 32 feet in width, and 13 feet in depth. She's powered by two 2,000 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engines. She's currently owned and operated by Ashton Marine of North Muskegon, Michigan. Named for the daughter of Phil and Candace Andre, the Meredith Ashton traveled 2,800 miles to Muskegon, Michigan, when she was bought by Ashton Marine last year in 2020. Ashton Marine is a younger Great Lakes transportation company. As of 2021 this year, they own and operate two tugs, two hopper barges, and various traditional flat deck barges like the one you just saw for special cargoes. The cargo that's on board the barge that just came through, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I believe it might be for the refinery here in Superior. The last year or two we've been getting a couple of tugs bringing in massive pieces of equipment for the rebuilding of the refinery here in Superior. So once again, we just had the Meredith Ashton tug arrive through the Duluth Ship Canal. She was built in 1999, measures 95 feet in length, 32 feet in width, and 13 feet in depth. And they were arriving with a special project cargo, most likely for the refinery here in Superior. Besides the tug and barge that just came through, we're supposed to have a larger ocean-going ship, the Workboat, that will be coming through the canal around 4 o'clock. We'll be giving more updates once it gets closer to that. So if you'd like to see another large ship come through the canal, I'd suggest you be in the area around 4 o'clock or so.